Let's create a circle shape in Shotcut Video Editor. Go straight to open others, go straight to color, go straight here, then you choose the color that you want your circle to be. So choose this color, then you click OK, then you add straight to your timeline. Then this is exactly what we will have. So I can just click here to see how long it is, go straight to your filters, go straight to add, then you just search crop. Then from here you can see crop circle, go straight to crop circle, then that is your circle. So you can also just come here on transparent, just click here so that it can be transparent. Then you can choose how big your circle you want it to be or how small you want it to be. So I want it to be this small. You can also come to add, then you can also add position if you want to change like the position of your circle. Go straight to the filter, then you can also change position of your circle. That's all. Thank you so much, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like. I'll see you on the next one.